Go back. You have a library setting just after that. So which library it is going to ask me? It is going to ask me that the current document management system. How generally you want to visualize it? How you want to see that? Scroll down. Let's say at this point of time, you are able to see who can be created when it is modified, right? So you have some views which is already running there. Go scroll up. All perfect now. So what we are going to do, let's change some setting here. Click the advanced setting. Click that one. All perfect now. So first of all, if I want that this particular content or whatever the content we uploaded in this SharePoint site, if I want to share without username and password, we can go ahead and configure that it is do not require any username and a password. Means allow anonymous management of the content. Yes. Then look at that below. You have all kind of an editing options which you can go. Just scroll up. All perfect now. Scroll down, and then you have all the default setting which is related to go slow, little slow.
It doesn't go slow on my laptop for some reason. It goes really fast.
Yeah, it's also good that if it's fast. Yeah, perfect now. Perfect now. Yeah, perfect now. Now look at that. You have created certain new folder, right? Why you able to create a new folder? Because make new folder. Look at that below. The command is available for you, right? In a certain scenario, if I want to restrict the user to not create any new directory, they should use whatever the directory we should already created. Then we should take this new folder option off. Now, all this is a part of the library management. So what we have, it means that any component which we create in SharePoint to control that particular component, how Microsoft is going to give me an option. They are allowing me a background control of the services using a library. So in a library, we can make a setting. Each site have their own library to modify. And then when we work on a top site, we can define everything on a parent site as well. Currently, we are using the library of my site collection. Scroll up, go back now, go to again, go back to again your document, just say cancel. Now you have a list name, description, work, list name, description, and a navigation. It is going to give you that how you are going to manage your site library or your document management system, how it is going to appear as such. Just click that one. They say that currently your document library system is appeared as document. It means that if I want to change it, something like that sales department DMS or my company DMS, we have to come here and change that setting. And then below, Does this document management system or your DMS is going to appear on search or not? I say currently, yes, it should appear. That is the reason why after the home, you are able to see a document. Just click cancel now. Go back to your document again. Go back to your document again. In the left hand side, click your document. Go up, scroll up. Yeah. On the left hand side, after home. Yeah. And look at that. You have something which is called all document. And then there is a three dot. Click that one. Now say that I want to look this one something different. Click modify this field. Now enable certain other columns to be visible. So let's say for an example, click check-in comment. Check-in comment, check, then click created by and created both. Yeah. Click then a file size and a folder child count. All right. Scroll down. Little bit more up. Back. Yeah. Yeah. Just hold for now. Click the title and a version. Right. Maybe you can click the name also, so that if you want to use, you want to use that. All right. Scroll it down a little bit slowly, slowly, and then say that show item only when following is true. All perfect. Scroll down. Everything is looks good. Just click OK. And look at that how it is now appearing for you. You have now multiple columns. For example, a name. When it modified, what is the checked in comment? You have only one checked in comment, and that is in a HR department. And look at that, how many folder and a file we have in my employee data or HR department. It is also going to say that. So for an example, in a HR department, I have three files. I have a three folder. So it is saying that you have a three folder. Now we have uploaded certain documents on employee data. So click that employee data now. And I am able to see the checked in comment as well. And we are able to see the name of the file. We are able to see when it is modified, when it is created, when it is created by, and something else. So it means that what this option giving me, this option giving me that I as an administrator or I might be a department user, I am going to configure my SharePoint as a document management system. And what this document management system means? It means that here I can manage every type of document here. I can arrange, I can control. I have a full-fledged workflow, whom I want to share, whom I do not want to share. So after the first document, you see a three dot. And look at that, what option you have. If you want, you can share this particular document with someone. you have an option called share. And after the follow, there is a three dot again. So when you click share, you click that three dot. When you click share, it is going to ask you whom you want to share. And look at that, you can see lot of other options. You can download, you can delete, you can copy, you can check the version history and some advanced options. Click share button now. So most probably, I want to share this with a user called Tim or a Tom. So for example, when I type a name of Tim, just type here Tim, it is going to show you that yes, you have a user called Tim. I have another user called Tom. What this user is supposed to do? Look at that on the left hand side. They can edit, they can read, they can view. For example, they can only view, can't modify the document. And we share this one. We click share. So what does it means? It means that when a user try to access this document using the link which you shared with them, they are going to ask that, hey guys, who are you? What you try to do? So for example, just click AWS CLI again, the three dot, copy the link. After that, you have a copy button. Yeah. Actually, your document name have a gap. Just click share, click the share button. It is already shared with Tim and Tom, right? Click share with. Yes, the three user which I have already shared with. Now just copy the URL, copy the URL, and look at that, you have a gap. So what the gap we have? After employee and a data, it is showing a gap, right now, correct?
Mhm.
So it means that the way we created a folder, it basically have a gap. Either we should have a underscore or something, right? Correct now? Let's rename it. Just either give underscore or maybe you do not give a leave a gap. Remove the gap. Yeah. Hit save. Looks perfect now. Now click HR department. Click HR department. Click employee data. Again, employee and data you have a gap. So right click the three dot and remove either the gap. So just go back. All right. Remove the gap between employee and the data. save. Then you have a three dots, you rename it. Re- Remove the gap between employee and data. All right. And save. Everything looks fine. Go back to your employee data now. All right. So now you can right click, copy the URL. Yeah, and give it to the user whom or who want to access this document. When the user access this URL, they have to give their username and password. It is that Tom and a team. When they try to access this document, they have to give the specific URL, which is which is whatever the permission you have assigned to them. So for an example, in Windows, toss the control again. No, just come back here on the very start, click this URL, paste this URL to some other site. Maybe I can use a Google Chrome. We have installed Chrome, but where is Chrome? Come, just paste this URL.
I can't see your screen anymore. I'm not sure if you hit it or not.
Um, Sharing is gone.
Hmm.
One minute. Just 1 second. Able to see now?
Yep.
No. Perfectly. So let me to sign it out. Say yes. Open in private browsing. Paste that URL. It's by default take my account only. Can you type the username Tom? What is the domain name? Molecule. I think I have to give a control back to you. Yeah. Type your domain name. No, you have to type your domain name. So this user belongs to a domain. Oh, slash Tom or Tim. So what they say now? Hey guys, hey Mr. Tom, you try to access the site, but unfortunately, the site has not shared with you, right? Because we only shared what? the document. Correct, no?
Yep.
We have not assigned any permission Tom on this specific site. So this site is a fully protected site where only you as a top level administrator has a permission, right? Not Tim, not Tom. So what will happen if I want to allow my Tom to access this specific site? Only Tim, no Tom, or only Tom, no Tim. You have a share option now. Just below system account, Monique, below system account, you have a share option. Click that one on the top level, on the top. On the top right hand side, you have a system account on a black bar. Yeah, and below that, you have a share option. Just below system account, you're able to see a share option.
I have a thing from the meeting in the way that I couldn't get to the thing.
Okay, hold on, hold on. Let me to click it for you. This is a share option, okay? So when you click that, now here, type the user Tom. You logged in with Tom, right? So click user Tom. Click show option. And what exactly this user is? This user is a member who can do an edit. Scroll down. You can also have only the read only or the view only. Just give him the last one. Good now. Click save. So what you have given now? This time you have shared a site in a read only mode to a user Tom. Go to the Google browser. Below is a Google browser. I click in a taskbar. Should I launch for you? One second. This is Google browser. Okay. Now this time Tom again try to access the site. He is able to see the site. Correct, Monica?
Hmm.
But what he can't do, there is no upload option right now. He
Hmm.
cannot upload any document. Look at that. In your site, you have an option to upload the data, right? You have a new and upload option. When you go to a document, you are able to see new and upload option, right? But
Yep.
for a Tom, there is no upload option. Tim even do not have a permission at all, right? When Tim try to log in, he can't access the site. Now, can you go to HR department? Monique, go to HR department. Click employee data. All right, he's able to see the document because he has the read only permission, right? Now
Yep.
let's try to rename this document. Click three dot, click the option. Oh my god, oh my god. There is no rename option. There is no edit option also. Correct now? You understood that? How
Yep.
we use the document management system, and then how the document management system going to help my organization to store critical files in a very secure manner. If you do not grant a permission to someone, no one going to access that document. It is so protected now, right? Now click this one and create one more site. This time, create a blog site. Go back to your application management, click another site collection. Now you are going to create the site collection again within the same web application, right? Which we created last time. On top, you are able to see, right? It's the same web collection. All right, just give it a name, my blog. Pretty good. And then the website URL, select site on top. In a website URL, drop down, select sites, and give a name, my blog. All right. This time, select a blog URL. Pretty good. Scroll it down. Type the username SPRB. All right. Perfect. So we're done. Hit OK. Ready to create. Just coming in a minute.